In this video we're going to glue the two pieces together and finish it off and see what the result looks like. We're going to use the bandsaw to clear off the waste wood from the inlay, the male part. So let's go. Once we've roughed all the waste wood off, we should have a piece that is pretty close to being ready to glue in. I can get fairly close to the edges with the bandsaw. I'm careful not to cut into any of the angular parts. I'm just taking away the excess wood so that nothing's sticking up and it won't hold it away from the glue up. When I apply the glue, I like to put it on fairly liberally. You don't have to be too careful. Remember, the bottom of this male part is not going to touch the top of the female part, so there's going to be a gap. So as long as we don't put big blobs of glue on there, we'll be in great shape. And then we can just put the two pieces together, and they fit quite snugly together, and then we're going to clamp it up. So let's go. One day later. After removing the clamps, what we're going to do is take it back over to the bandsaw and cut off the bulk of that inlay wood to get us ready to finish the surface so that we can have a look at what the finished article looks like. Don't try this at home. This is 5 times normal speed, so I'm very careful with the bandsaw. It does cut through this wood very easily, but if you get your fingers in front of it, it'll cut through those just as easily. You're going to be very, very careful. Once I cut off the bulk of the wood with the bandsaw, take it over to the belt sander and just clean it down. Just try and do it very gently. I put some masking tape around it to try not to scratch the wood, but we'll see later that I maybe did scratch the wood. So here is the finished article. Well, not quite finished. I actually went over it with the orbital sander, and when I did that I got a little too low and touched the top. Now that wood was already pre-finished, So the female part actually isn't dark wood, it's light wood, but it's finished with a brown stain. It's actually a piece of recycled furniture. So that when I touch the surface of it, it looks a bit rough.